Oh my god, the view is amazing at the top. Welcome to our British Columbia road trip series. In the previous video, we left the mainland to Vancouver Island and explored Victoria, the main city on the island. Good morning, I just got our coffee for the road trip and we are leaving Victoria and we are driving towards the north in Vancouver Island. We are going to have a few stops on the way and see some attraction, and then we are going to stay around Lake Cowichan. Hey, that's your coffee.
Thank you.
Let's go.
So our first stop is Malahat SkyWalk. It's quite close to Victoria. So it's on the way to Lake Cowichan, so we're gonna stop there first.
We just stopped for a viewpoint and it's quite beautiful. The ticket for this attraction is 35 Canadian dollars per adult. I guess Canadians love having bridges with wooden floor.
You can actually come down using a slide.
So it's easy, we go up and then just
slide down.
Yeah. It's kind of like fun going around. It's so easy to walk and we have amazing view already and we are not at the top. I think it's just good, everyone can come here. If you don't like hiking, this is a great place to come and to have a great view. There is a net and literally there's nothing under the net. I'm not funny, but it's just wobbly. Oh my god, the view is amazing at the top. When I was just coming up, I was like, oh my god, it's amazing, amazing, but just don't give up. Continue and reach at the top. The view is just so amazing. You have a panoramic view. It's worth the climb and it's worth the ticket price. Since we're in a rush, we are going down with the slider.
When she starts sliding, we're gonna lean back.
Okay. Wow, that's fast! It was so fast and so quick. I didn't really realize when it ends. It was so fast.
Actually, in this place, there is also a picnic area on the ground floor if you want to like stay here and have a picnic. But since we want to move on and we want to go to the next place, which I think should be Kinsol Trestle, which is an old railway, we're just gonna head back on the road and try to get there. The sign says that it's a 1.2 kilometers walk. I'm not sure if it's one way or out and back, but let's see.
We arrived here. This attraction used to be a railway.
This bridge is actually 187 meters long and 44 meters high from like the highest points above the river. We also built some small viewpoints where people can stop and have a look around. It's quite cool.
There is nothing else to do here. The bridge is beautiful. It's good to come here and just see it and take photos. But yeah, you don't need to spend a lot of time here because it's kind of like on the way. It's really hot and we need to go to the lake. From here we have 50 minutes drive to the lake, and actually here the road is quite empty. It's not busy road, so it's a winding road and kind of narrow. That's good. We arrived at the lake and the first thing we are going to do is tubing. And actually this lake is famous for river tubing. I can't go straight. I go always in the wrong way, I don't know why. Or I turn around myself like now. Bruno, turn this side. Bruno is using his legs. Finally you made it.
Yeah.
Actually, now I am in the water. Oh guys, that is so good. This is so good. It's hot. And my tube is up there. The river is so slow, so I decided to swim. To the river there are some beaches, and some beaches are private but this one is not. It's good to stop and relax. I guess we almost arrived. And actually it was I think more than 2 hours that we are on the river.
3.
3 hours?
Yeah.
So, it was a really long ride. Okay, now we have to take a shuttle bus and go back to our car. Now we are going to our hotel and it's around here and we are just sleeping for a night. But tomorrow we are driving towards the north. It's not touristy area and we are excited about that. For now, I have to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Same as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. I don't like my view. I should get that way.